Just a few tips when you're taking apart this KingSong S18 tire. this plastic piece, especially on the models that came out in 2011, for some reason this was kind of wedged against or glued against this taillight, so it was a bitch to remove. So just be careful of that. Another thing is the pedal hangers. These things. Alright. I stripped one of these screws only because I didn't remove the pedal. Right, I was following the YouTube video on how to do it, and the guy didn't remove the pedals, and it was rather hard to get the Allen key to twist this nut off. So I ended up stripping it. Thankfully, smart enough to remove the pedals. It was easy enough. I followed their other KingSong video. Was able to get it off. And make sure you deflate the tire before you remove it. Otherwise, it's not coming out of the shell. And that's basically it. Now I'm just waiting for the TR1 knobby tire to come in so I can put it into this. Other than that, it was rather easy.